Hey, what's up? It's your girl Alifia coming in with another video, and this is going to be a haul video. Some things that I got while Pumpkin and I were on vacation, where we were in Florida. I guess you'd call it a mini vacation, and some things I got before that. So let's get into this. So the first things that I'm going to show you are some items that I feel like YouTube made me do it. So MsVaughnTV, she's someone that I watch here on YouTube, and she had a video that came out with I think what is it, Cream of Nature. I haven't even used this stuff yet, but these were some items that were part of her faves, and on the box I'm going to show you where the box has a sticker that says faves right there. I think you can see that. And so I decided to order from her because the items that she had that I wanted were, I think, it's $16.99, and I'd seen them in the store, but I have not purchased them. So inside the box is her card, and it says on the back, thanks for shopping with me, XO Miss Vaughn. Alright, so inside the box there are some Cream of Nature products, and like I said, I have not used this line, but it is a Cream of Nature coconut milk detangling and conditioning shampoo. There is the Cream of Nature moisture curl hair milk, and it does say for natural hair on there. There is the detangling and conditioning conditioner, and there is a detangling and conditioning leave-in conditioner, and this says for normal hair. And then there is the Essential 7 treatment oil, and this one also has for natural hair on there. So these are the items that came in this box for $16.99, and the shipping was free. So I think thus far I got a pretty good deal. I have not used these products, so I don't know how these products are going to work on my hair, but for $16.99 I'm willing to give them a try. Alright, so the next item is also something that I'm going to say YouTube made me do it. Nitraab. I love Nitraab, her little family, her Colton and Uriah. I watch her vlog channel as well as her beauty channel, and on her vlog channel, I think it was her vlog channel, they were getting ready to go on vacation, and she go to the beach. On vacation to the beach. I think that's where they were going. Either way, that doesn't matter. In any rate, she was packing her makeup, and she pulled out a makeup bag. And one of the problems I have when I get ready to go on a trip somewhere is makeup bags. I have the little regular size small makeup bags, and then I ended up having like 2-3 bags to put my brushes and my makeup items in. Now when Pumpkin and I went to Florida, I didn't have that problem because I didn't wear any makeup, because I knew the heat in Florida is like no other, and I knew I was not going to be trying to wear makeup in that heat. So I didn't wear makeup. But when I went to Atlanta, or when I go to other places, and I do have a trip coming up later on this year where I'm going to need something to carry my makeup in. So Nitraab, like I said, she had this bag, and she had a link to the big bag in her description box, and I'll try to remember to put a link for the bag if anybody else is interested in the bag. But it's a makeup bag, and it came in this box right here. And and it's from it's a company called Vasker, and if I'm not mistaken, now I purchased it on Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon, and you know, like I said, I haven't even taken that sounded so horrible, but I haven't even taken it out of the bag yet. And okay, so this plastic is just sealed all the way around, and so it's just a basic black bag. It looks like a kind of like a little briefcase, and so I unzip the top of it, and here it's a little nets. This is a netting, and then there's a zipper here. So you unzip it. Oh well, it was already zipped up. Unzip it and put your hand down in there. And then on this side of it, there seems to be a pocket, and then something here. So I guess you can put your brushes or what have you in there. And then there is another zipper. Okay, and when I open, oh, so there's a tag, a luggage tag in there for it. And then there's the strap, the longer strap. And then when you open it up, okay, here you have another closure. And there's compartments. Oh no, okay, so this is set out for brushes. These compartments are made for brushes, here and here, okay. And then Down here on this part, there's little compartments there, so you can put your items, foundations, and all that kind of good jazz down in these little compartments. So I went ahead, I mean, when I saw this, I was like, I have to have that in my life. I'm not a person that travels all the time, but I don't care if I'm just going away somewhere for the weekend. It is just really, really, really a hassle to have 2 and 3 little bitty makeup bags to carry all the stuff that you're going to use, because I'm a full face type of girl. Like, when it comes to makeup, I don't just like to put on just eyeshadow, eyeliner. When I put on makeup, I'm just like a full face. I like the whole thing, because if I'm gonna put it on, baby, I'm gonna put it on. So that's just my thing. There's no problem with any people that don't do the full face, but for me, a full face is what I want. And when I go out of town, I want to do my full face, and I want to have everything I need, and this is gonna provide me with the space for that. Okay, so another thing I thought about with that carrying case, that is going to be great to just put on the countertop, like in the bathroom, because when I go out of town, I take my items and I set them up on the countertop in the bathroom, because I don't want to have to keep taking them out of the little bag. But with the way that thing is organized, everything can just stay in the bag, and I can have it on the counter, and I can open it up and unzip it, use what I want, and zip it back, and not have to worry about my things being on the counter inside the bathroom. So that is a good part. Alright, so the next items I'm going to show you are some items that I purchased while we were in Florida, as I said. I'm not going to show you the items that I have for Pumpkin, because those are her things, and if she wanted me to share them in a haul, she'd tell me to share them in a haul, I guess. But anyway, so I'm going to show you some things that I got for myself. So we went to Victoria's Secrets. That was one of the stores. Pumpkin is a Victoria's Secret fan. She loves Victoria's Secrets. And I must say that I'm not like 100% there, but I am becoming a Victoria's Secret fan. And I think because I can now wear Victoria's Secrets other than the perfumes and lotions and things like that. So the first thing that I do have is this shirt I have. And it said, now this shirt here, I don't know if you can see it, but it has 2 for $36 here. But then when I look at the tag has $9.99 on it on sale. The regular price $24.95. But when I got to the register, this shirt was actually $7 and something. And this shirt is actually in a size small, and it does fit. It fits me. It's not tight or anything like that. It just fits me. Some of these items I am going to put them on to show you how they fit, and some of them I'm not going to put them on, not in this video. I'll show them to you in another video. Alright, and so the next thing I got is a pair of joggers, and they are from Victoria's Secret Pink, and these are in the size large. And right down the side of them, they have pink all the way down the side, and they have just a little ruching, I guess you could say, right here on the leg of them. I'm not a fan of joggers, but there is a specific reason why I purchased these, and I will tell you that in an upcoming video why I purchased these joggers. But yeah, like I said, these are in a size large. Alright, so while I was there, I also went into the Hanes store. We went to the outlet. Now, the Victoria's Secret store, that was not a part of the outlet store, but we did go to an outlet store, and I went to the Hanes store and got a few items, and they had some things that were like 75% off. Some of the things were on sale already, and then they were 75% off, and some of them were just 75% off. And so the first thing I got is this pajama set, this sleeper set, and this is in a size I think this is a large as well. Yeah, this set is in a size large. The regular price for this set was $52 and then it got reduced to $35, and then it was on clearance. It was reduced a little bit more to $25, and then it's on clearance for 75% off. I don't know what type of material this is, cotton or something like that, but as you can see, the the band, I don't know what to call this, around the waist is like a silk material, and then the top part, the cami type top, is as well. So I had that in this blush pink type of color, but I also have it in a blue as well. Blue is in a large as well, and this one, like I said, it's see-through just like that one. So it's some thin material, and then here you have this one as well, the top. It's the silk type top. Okay, and so while we were there, we also went to American Eagle Outfitters, and I bought these. I thought they were so cute. These crochet knitted tops. This is a size medium, and it's pink, and it's crochet knitted, And yeah, this was on sale. The regular price of this is $29.95, and it was on sale for 50% off. Can you see that? I don't think you can see that. Also purchased this in a gray color as well. I thought this was like too cute, so I purchased this in a gray as well. Alright, so the next thing is something that I also purchased from American Eagle Outfitters. Now this dress is regularly $44.95. It I don't know, it was on sale for $24 or something like that, but somebody put it on the rack, a rack that had $7.99 at the top, and they gave it to me for the $7.99. I don't think it was supposed to be on there, but somebody had put it on there. So this is this dress, and here it has keyhole cutouts on the side. I thought that was so cute. This dress comes in a size large. Now please do understand, 100 pounds ago, 108 pounds ago to be exact, I would never, 107, 108 pounds ago to be exact, I would never put on a dress like this. Well, first of all, I couldn't fit a large dress, but also something, and then it has this little hole in the back, but something with the sides out and all that kind of stuff. No, Alethea definitely would not have been wearing that, but I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this. So back to the Hanes store. I forgot about these items that I did pick up from the Hanes store. So these are some leggings right here, and I have not tried these leggings on, but these leggings are a size medium, and I think I might have made a mistake. I thought I got a large, but I got these in a medium, and they are pretty, like I don't know, they stretch, but I don't know if they stretch enough, so I'll know when I put these on. I also purchased these workout pants right here, and these are by Champion, and they are in a size extra large actually, and they are so freaking comfortable. I have to keep pulling these up on my waist when I have them on, but I'm telling you, they are so comfortable. They didn't have these in a large, which I wish they did have them, but what I do like about these is they have a cell phone pocket here, and I have an iPhone 6 Plus, and so it fits down in this pocket with no freaking problem, no problem. So while I'm working out, my phone can be in the pocket, and I'll have to keep on trying to watch it on the floor when I'm doing weights to make sure nobody has touched my phone. But yeah, and it has like this red little has like this red sleeving, not sleeving, but red stripe coming down the side of it. And then these are also by Champion, and I got these out of the Hanes store as well, and they were on sale for 75% off, just like the other ones were on sale for 75% off. These I also purchased in an extra large, and this extra large is actually fine in these, but yeah, I love the way these are made. They're blue and black, and then you see the black here, blue, and then black, and then here there's blue, black, and then blue, and then on the back of them, it's kind of like the opposite. It's kind of like the same. And then it has this thick waistband here. Now, I do have to tug at the waist a little bit to make sure that it stays up on my waist like it should, but it's fine. And there's a little hole here. I don't know what can go there, but my cell phone can't sit up in that. But yeah, these workout pants, and I really do wish they had some more workout pants and this type that are my size, because these are so comfortable. I mean, like, working out with these on is like, yes, it works. So anyway, so those are just some things that I wanted to show you and share with you. That is it for this haul. And so yeah, please go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and like this video, leave me a comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time, in the between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next video. Bye.